Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Ford model, year, and sync software so you download the correct nav package. This prevents mismatches that can brick the unit. Once done, format an 8 to 32 GB USB to FAT32 and copy only the update files into the root folder. Do not nest them. Make sure the vehicle battery is charged above 4 volts or attach a maintainer, and park with the engine running if instructed by the update notes. You insert the prepared USB into the vehicle and navigate to sync settings, then General, then USB Update. This triggers the onboard installer and verifies file integrity. During the process, you will see progress bars and possibly several automatic reboots of the head unit. This is normal because firmware and map tiles install in stages. Make sure to keep the engine running or key to accessory and do not unplug the USB. Interrupting power or media can corrupt the nav system. Once the update finishes, check navigation about to confirm the new map version and current date so you know it applied correctly. This also updates POIs and traffic databases. If the update stalls or reports missing files, reformat a different USB to FAT32, re-download the official package, and attempt the process again. Bad media is a common culprit. If problems persist, perform a master reset of sync, and if that fails, contact your dealer for diagnostic tools and possible reflash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.